Many people love Punta Cana, but they're afraid of one thing: healthcare. If you're thinking about moving here or investing in real estate, one of the most common questions is healthcare actually good in Punta Cana? Today, I'm inside Punta Cana Doctors, one of the main medical clinics located here in Punta Cana Village, to show you how healthcare really works. Punta Cana Doctors is a private medical clinic located in Punta Cana Village, one of the most developed residential areas in Punta Cana. The clinic offers a wide range of medical specialties and services for both residents and international visitors. Here, patients can receive consultations, medical exams, diagnostics, and minor procedures. An important feature of this clinic is that it provides 24-hour emergency medical service, which is essential for both residents and tourists living or visiting Punta Cana. Today we are speaking with the owner and one of the leader doctors of Punta Cana Doctors, Dr. José Esmurdoc. Dr. Esmurdoc worked in the area of Punta Cana more than 30 years, and today I would like to talk to him and know more about healthcare in these areas. So Dr. Esmurdoc, hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much to talking and speaking with me today, and I would love that you introduce yourself and tell me more about Punta Cana Doctors.
Thank you for inviting me. And Punta Cana Doctors, well, my name is José Esmurdoc. I'm a family practice. And today I want to tell you about Punta Cana Doctors. It's a project was created around 15 years ago and continuing my presence in Punta Cana since over 30 years. Punta Cana Doctors is a primary care attention center with more than 30 specialties and different methods of diagnostic like x-rays, ultrasounds, with other specialties associated like colonoscopy, endoscopy, and an urgency center also, which we can stabilize people.
Dr. Jose, I prepared for you many questions from my subscribers, so let's start. What medical specialties are available here?
We have most of the important specialists in the center, goes from pediatrics, gynecologists, ENT, otorhinolaryngologists, pneumologists, internists, cardiologists, and all what everybody will need to make their checkup, the annual checkup. Some of them have been formed outside the country, some of them have been formed in the country. So we are counting with very top specialists in the center.
Amazing. And where did your doctors receive their medical training?
Most of them in big hospitals, like I said. Some of them, they go to specialize outside the countries, US, Europe, South America, all depending the specialist, the specialty they want to look for. And yeah, they are very well formed. Also here, the one they form here, we have very good hospital in residency in every specialty.
Okay. And do many of your doctors speak English?
I would say 95% of them speak English. All the doctors in the emergency room, they must speak English because we have a high range of foreigners here. So I would say yes, most of them speak English and other languages, of course.
Well, I never have a trouble because, you know, I just started to speak Spanish, but before it was really difficult for me. And I always speak with all your doctors English,
yes.
And I never have a trouble. So I'm really thankful for that. Thankful for that, yes. Do you treat many international patients or expats?
Yes, we do. Both of them, we work with international insurances. We work with local insurances for foreigners. And expat, we work also with a center which is responsible now for veterans. But we do see them since a long time here in our center.
Oh, this is amazing.
Yes.
It's very good to know. What type of diagnostic services are available here?
All the cardiovascular diagnosis, we have it here. If you want a heart checkup, we have them. We have also ultrasounds, all kind of ultrasound. We have colonoscopy, endoscopy, images like x-ray, and we have the only densitometer without radiation in the center. Also, we count with a lab, with a full lab, and a physiotherapy center. And lately we have opened our Center of Anti-Aging, which we have a hyperbaric chamber, we have IV therapies, we have a specialist in hair transplant, and also aesthetic doctors.
Oh, wow. Where is it located?
It's in
here?
Kronos. It's in Kronos. It's in 2 buildings from here, but it's our anti-aging center. It's our new baby, let's say.
Amazing. We're going to visit this. So
Yes.
I'm very excited. Do you have your own laboratory? You already told me about laboratory with who you work here. What should a tourist do if they suddenly need medical help in Punta Cana?
Well, there's a lot of different ways for tourists to contact doctors, from their travel agent or their representative or the medical offices in a hotel. Also, they will be directed to the hotels. They take care of the medical offices, or some of them they call us directly, like we are the representative of the German embassy in Punta Cana, on the French also. So we see a lot of patients, they call us directly for help. We can visit them at the hotels, or they can come to Punta Cana Doctors.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And you work 24 hours.
Yes.
Yes, it's very important.
24/7.
It's amazing. What happens if a patient needs more advanced treatment or hospitalization?
We work with the hospitals here in the area specifically, and we will refer the patient. Our main purpose is to stabilize the patient and then decide this patient goes to be hospitalized or not. In the case we have to send them away, we work with the hospital and they will receive the patient and do the rest of what we cannot do here, for like surgery or hospitalization.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what would you say to people who are worried about healthcare in Punta Cana?
I don't think basically that you have to be afraid. We have different choices for insurances, local insurances, which is very affordable to people. Remember not to wait too long, because some restriction apply if you're over 65 or 70 years old. But otherwise, health is very, very available here in Punta Cana for all foreigners. If you have your travel insurance, if you don't have an insurance, you will have health care and fast, and you don't have to wait for long times, long lines like other countries. And like I said, we have many national insurances, top, that you can count on them with any event that happens to you, from an emergency or for a planned surgery. So, Olga, this is our Kronos, our anti-aging center that, like I explained to you before, this is our new baby, our latest baby. Kronos was created for seeing in the future for a better health and being prophylactic in some diseases, and improving also the appearance of our patients. So we have here many things. We have a hyperbaric chamber we show you now. We have different doctors in aesthetic, very, very good. We have a hair transplant doctor. We have our IV therapies. Soon we will have peptides. And also we have the depilations and the HIFU, which is one of the, I think the only machine in the area for the feminine aesthetic. We also have two different programs, which is a hormone replacement done by a very good specialist, Dr. Diaz. And also we have the lose weight program with the GLP, and we're having a very, very good success. So follow me and I will show you the center. So our team, here you are welcome with a smile always. Here you can make your appointments. As you see, there's nobody in the waiting room, but all the medical offices are full because we work on their appointments with a plan. So if you follow me, I will show you now the hyperbaric chamber and Dr. Pablo Redondo, who manages the treatments. So here is the hyperbaric chamber. this is Dr. Pablo Arredondo. He will explain you a little bit what the hyperbaric chamber is about and what the benefits are in our patients, if you are sick or if you are not sick also, all the uses you have. Dr. Pablo.
Hi.
How are you, please?
So this is the hyperbaric chamber. It offers 1.5 atmosphere temperature while you have been in contact with 100% oxygen while you're in the chamber. This helps you like hyper oxygenate your body so you can have 100% oxygen going on your body. That helps you with decrease inflammation, with pain, with people who has like chronic pain, also post-surgery, and for longevity as well.
Imagine a wound closing in half of the time. This is something amazing. Ulcers that will never heal. This will help you for that.
And the best part of it is that it's completely holistic. Like you don't have to get like in contact with any needles or medicaments or anything that will, harm your body.
Also, the new technology allows you to go with your cell phone inside, with your laptop, so you can work from inside, which is amazing. And for those who are a little bit claustrophobic, the chamber has 7 windows, a bell inside, and a system that you can open yourself the valves if you don't feel comfortable. Hello. So this is the procedure room. As you see, we have different machines here. I am also with the Doctora Charisma Santana. She's in charge of our program of losing weight, assisting losing weight with the GLP that everybody knows. And she accompanies the patients in all the nutrition program. Here also is realized all the cosmetics, all the aesthetic, Botox, exosomes, facial cleaning, depilation. We have the HIFO machine, the only one in Punta Cana, for vaginal aesthetic, for feminine aesthetic. We have all therapeutic massage. So we have different things. And here also is the hair specialist, Doctora Brigitte Castillo. In other procedures, here is where we put the hormone replacement, the pellets or the youth chips, how they call it. And this is our procedure room. So here we are in our IV therapy space, which is, as you see, very comfortable. We have the seats that you can recline. You have machines that they will measure the amount of fluids will go into the bloodstream. We have all kind of treatments we call suerotherapy, IV therapy, which we have the famous NAD, and we have all the kind of vitamins, zinc, selenium, vitamin B12, glutathione, all what you need for those who needs a push in their immune system or preparing for a trip or preparing for sport or having a hangover. So all of that you can have it here in our IV therapy center. So this is one of our medical offices in our Kronos project. And I want to introduce you to Dr. Hugo Avila. He is an esthetician and he's my doctor. So when I want my Botox, when I want to look good, I put my face and my health in his hands. So please, Dr. Avila.
I am Dr. Hugo Avila, like Dr. Esmurdoc saying. I am an aesthetic doctor. I apply Botox, fillers, biostimulation, all the aesthetic procedures that the patient wanted. They doesn't need all the time the surgeries. Sometimes they need some procedure that can help you to be more beautiful, more younger, and they don't need only the injection. There are many treatments with aparatology like NDMA, like photo age. There are many treatments. So if you want, I invite you to have a consult and you can get the result to be younger and to be beautiful.
Dr. Jose, thank you so much. Thank you for explaining how everything
you.
works.
Thank you.
And I personally, I'm very thankful to you. I'm glad to be your patient.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
We are now in Punta Cana Village, and this area actually has several important healthcare services located very close to each other. In addition to Punta Cana Doctors, you can also find health insurance companies here, including Universal and MAPFRE. Many residents arrange their medical insurance through these companies. Depending on coverage and age, health insurance plans in Dominican Republic can offer a range approximately from $40 to $120 per month. Also located here in Punta Cana Village is Referencia Laboratory, where people can do a blood test, medical analysis, and another diagnostic test. Another medical facility located here in Punta Cana Village is MEG Clinic. This clinic is connected with the largest hospital located in Punta Cana Bávara area. MEG Hospital is a modern private hospital equipped with advanced medical technologies and international standard of care. Another important center located here in Punta Cana Village is Developmental Learning Center. They offer services such as family therapy, speech therapy, behavioral therapy, learning therapy, and early alternative programs for children and adolescents. Centers like these are very important for families living in Punta Cana, especially for parents who want access to professional support for child development, learning challenges, and mental health. And now I'm in Developmental Center with the owner and the leading psychologist, Denisse Nunez. Denisse, hello. I would like you to introduce yourself and tell a little about the center.
Hi, Olga. Thank you so much for coming. So, as you said, I'm Denisse Nunez Estrella, the head of Developmental Center, a multidisciplinary space where we attend kids, adolescents, adults, couples, families, providing services in areas of learning, of behavior, speech and language, evaluations, and therapies in general to address the different needs that the populations have. We see national population as well as international. We speak Spanish, we speak English. One of our specialists speaks Catalan, and we work together with you to make plans that are coherent with your needs and help us see clear objectives in order to move forward. And one of the beautiful projects that came out of Developmental was Talentum. It's a special need school where children attend from 8 to 1 p.m. They have their teachers, they have their classmates, they have their different subjects throughout the day, and we work with them, helping them improve those areas of needs and potentiate those strengths that they already have. It's a beautiful sibling project, and it will be amazing for you guys to know about them.
Healthcare is one of the biggest concerns people have when they think moving abroad. But is it she? Punta Cana have several more clinics, laboratories, hospitals, insurance provides and specialized centers available for both residents and international visitors. If you would like to learn more about living and investing in real estate in Punta Cana, don't forget to subscribe and see you next video.